Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to blur your background on Zoom. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now here we are already in the Zoom meeting, and if you want to blur your background, you just need to click here on the video. You'll notice an arrow option. Click on that and you can see there is already an option to blur your background. You just need to click on that and it will automatically blur your background. Or if you will not find that option, you just need to click on adjust background and effects and it will show these selections. And one of the options is blur. So you just need to click on that to blur your background. And that's it. That's how you blur your background on Zoom meeting. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.